Are you getting melted or clumped ice in your lower drawer ice maker? Here's two simple tricks to try to fix this. And changing the temperature up top won't help. I tried changing this to -5 degrees. It still is melted and clumped. The first thing you want to do is check the seals along the side. So if you look over here, if you see any gaps in the seals, you want to address those or get a new seal. You want to open the fridge like this and then look for any gaps in the seals here. Don't see any gaps. I'm going to check the other side here. Don't see any gaps there. And then I might need a mirror to look underneath to see if there's any gaps on the bottom. Also, while checking the seals, check down underneath to see if anything's blocking. You can see some ice pieces, clean that out. Also, check to see if anything's wedged here. I did find an old waffle sitting in there, so that prevented the door from closing adequately. The next thing you want to do is pull the fridge away from the wall so that you can get behind it and then clean behind it. And we're going to get down here and remove these cover plates and clean the condenser. Make sure that the fridge is unplugged so it's safe for you to extract those covers. You can see how dirty that condenser is. I'm going to go ahead and clean that dust out of there using a vacuum with a bristle brush, or you can use a toothbrush to clean it off and then a vacuum to clean it up. Now you can see how clean that condenser is. I'm going to use the toothbrush to get back here and get around the corner where I can't get the vacuum head. This way it'll really clean up the side of that condenser. Go ahead and you can see how much cleaner the condenser is. Just be careful because they're really delicate, and you want to make sure that you clean up the side here vent and get that all dust free, and then go ahead and reattach the cover plate. I checked back after a few hours. You can see it's making ice and it's not clumped anymore. I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments, and thanks for watching.